Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the walk around video of the SKODA Fabia Monte Carlo edition. Wait for the crowd to start applauding there. It is one of our best selling cars, and it's in the gorgeous race blue metallic paint, obviously with the two-tone of the black wheels, black wing mirror caps, and this one actually sports a full panoramic glass roof. It's actually safer to crash in one of these cars than it is with a standard metal roof. There you go, fun fact of the day. So just to give you guys a bit more detail on this one, so you've got about 29,000 miles on the clock, so relatively low for the age of this model. It's a 1.2 petrol turbo, 4-cylinder, 90 horsepower engine, one of the most popular engines that Skoda sold. And then this one, being the Monte Carlo, comes with the additional black trim which you can see around the front there. You've then got down the side skirts, the black wheels, mirror caps, and as I said, that gorgeous roof, which I'll show you in a minute. So thanks very much for watching this video. I'll try and highlight as many key features and different points as I can. Feel free to contact me with any questions if you do have any. So to give you a bit more detail, guys, you've then got the gorgeous black alloy wheels down there. These are Savio alloy wheels, for you car lovers out there. You've then got the Monte Carlo stamping just on the side of the door there. And then moving around the back, guys, you've got then the rear parking sensors, your dominant prominent Skoda badge lying directly in the centre there, and then you've got your obviously quite bright rear lights on here too. So I will just open up the boot, guys, let you have a little bit of a look inside, because there's a reason this has been Skoda's best-selling model for the last 15 years. It's because it's practical, it's comfortable, it's quiet, it's easy to drive. It gives one of the class-leading driving experiences, in my opinion, out there today at the moment on the market, and one of the largest boots as well. So with the boot, guys, you can actually split those seats 60-40 and fold them down if you want to. Completely up to you. I find that pretty big for all my shopping, to be honest, but hey ho, depends what you put in the boot, doesn't it? So just to give you an idea, there's a little luggage hook there, guys. There's one on each side, and that is for your trips to the shop. Because we all know at the moment everybody's going around buying loads and loads of food up. Loads of bags in the boot means there's going to be loads of spillage when you get home. Stick the bags onto those little hooks inside, it just stops that problem. Couldn't be easier. So just to then show you down this side, guys, as well. Now this car is absolutely gorgeous inside and out. I've actually checked around it, and wow, look at that. So you've got the three-tone red, black and grey huggy seats in the back here. This car looks literally immaculate. I don't know if anybody sat in the back or whether they just wanted to keep it looking like brand new, but they've done a great job at it. So it looks absolutely stunning inside. You've actually got the race styled seats in the front, which I'll get into in a second. But these seats are incredibly comfy. If you're looking to do long distance, just a couple of short journeys, whatever it may be, it is a dream and a pleasure to do it, especially, and I'll let you have a little cheeky glimpse. Ooh, that gorgeous roof. So just opening up the front, guys. In here, you've then got the three-tone grey, black and red huggy seats with the sports styling, just meant to hold you a little bit more for those faster race car drivers among you. You've then noticed on the right hand side, you've got your electric window controls, rear mirror controls on there. In the centre, you've got your sports steering wheel, specially designed by Skoda, which has got your audio mounted controls on the front, your multifunction trip computer, which operates your MPG, your engine temperature, you've got range in the tank, your digital speedo, tons and tons of cool features. And just moving over, guys, you've got the old school handbrake right there in the center. You've then got your manual 5-speed gearbox with cup holders. You've then got your air conditioning controls, USB and auxiliary port. And you've also got the huge touchscreen, which operates your DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, a load of other cool features. And you'll notice you've got this carbon fiber effect dashboard, which runs all the way down there. It looks great, works really well with the colors on the seats, works really well with the style of the steering wheel. And then just to show you the piece de la resistance, the gorgeous glass roof as well. So full panoramic glass, guys, it just brightens up the whole cabin and makes it a joy to drive. So thank you very much for watching that inside and interior video there, guys. I've whipped around this one. It looks absolutely stunning inside and out, so I can't wait to hear from you. You can get me directly on 01905 830 361. Ask for Alex Webb when you come on through, or you can just email me, alexander.webb, W-E-B-B, @startingroup, all one word, .co.uk. But it's been an absolute pleasure, guys. I very much look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.